Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buy Reviews channel. Today, I'm excited to share my hands-on review Donner 61-key keyboard piano, DK610S, a versatile starter keyboard that hits all the right notes, musical notes. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly electric keyboard that strikes the perfect balance between features, affordability, and playability, then Donner's 61-key keyboard piano, model DK610S, deserves your full attention. In my video review, I unpack the entire kit, test out the voices and rhythms, explore the educational tools, and share my honest thoughts after hands-on use. Let's dive into a detailed breakdown of what makes the DK610S such a compelling choice for new pianists and casual players. Wrench unboxing and first impressions. Right out of the box, the DK610S impresses with its complete bundle. Inside you get the 61-key keyboard, adjustable keyboard stand, a comfortable padded stool, sustained pedal, microphone with cable, power adapter, sheet music stand, user manual. This all-in-one setup is ideal for beginners or parents looking for a ready-to-go gift package for their child. The stand and stool are both height adjustable and sturdy enough to handle regular use. Assembly was straightforward and took under 10 minutes. Musical keyboard build and feel. The DK610S features 61 full-size keys, which are not weighted but still offer a surprisingly decent feel for a beginner model. While it's not meant to replicate the hammer-action response of an acoustic piano, the keys are responsive enough to practice dynamics and fingering technique. The build quality of the keyboard body itself is lightweight yet solid. It's portable enough for bedroom practice, small gigs, or classroom settings. The matte black finish gives it a modern look, while the clear LED screen and label buttons make navigation intuitive. Speaker high-volume voices, rhythms, and effects. Here's where this keyboard shines. It boasts 249 built-in voices, 249 rhythms, 50 demo songs, and a range of sound effects. That's a huge variety for any keyboard in this price range. The tones include everything from classic grand piano and electric piano to strings, brass, organ, synth, and world instruments. Some standout voices include acoustic piano, clean, expressive, and great for basic piano practice. Synth leads, surprisingly powerful and useful for experimenting with music production. Percussion kits, helpful for rhythm training and beat making. Rhythms cover pop, rock, jazz, Latin, and electronic styles. You can tweak tempo and volume, which is great for customizing your backing tracks. The accompaniment function, split mode with left-hand chords triggering bass lines and rhythm, adds a whole new dimension of interactivity. Microphone input, and vocal practice. A fun and thoughtful addition is the included dynamic microphone. It plugs directly into the keyboard, allowing you to sing along with the rhythms or demo songs. This is a great feature for aspiring vocalists and kids who enjoy karaoke-style practice. The mic quality is decent for casual use, though don't expect studio-grade fidelity. Brain learning features and connectivity. For beginners, the Donner DK610S comes packed with helpful educational tools. Lesson mode allows duet-style playing by splitting the keyboard into two identical pitch ranges. Chord mode, great for learning harmony and chord progressions. Recording function lets you capture your performances and review your progress. It also features USB MIDI connectivity, meaning you can plug it into music education software or digital audio workstations (DAWs), like GarageBand, Logic Pro, or FL Studio. This expands a keyboard's utility far beyond beginner use. Electric plug additional features and functions. Other noteworthy features include sustain pedal. Included and responsive, it adds realism to your piano playing. Dual mode, layer two instruments sound together, like piano plus strings. Metronome, essential for building rhythm and timing. Headphone jack, perfect for silent practice. These features, especially in this price bracket, are thoughtful and provide a solid foundation for both learners and hobbyists. Wrap gift, who is this keyboard for? The Donner DK610S is clearly designed with beginners and casual players in mind. It's a great gift for kids or teens learning piano, adults returning to music after a break, budget-conscious musicians needing a practice keyboard, educators and music tutors who want a portable teaching tool. It may not satisfy professional players looking for weighted keys or premium piano action, but as a starter keyboard, it delivers an impressive bang for your buck. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Affordable all-in-one bundle. Huge variety of voices and rhythms. Microphone and sustain pedal included. USB MIDI connectivity. Great learning tools for beginners. Compact and lightweight for easy setup. Clapperboard final verdict, as seen in my video. After testing the Donner DK610S extensively, I can confidently recommend it as one of the best entry-level keyboard kits on the market. Its blend of features, portability, and included accessories make an unbeatable value for beginners. In my video, I showcase sound samples, test the mic and rhythm functions live, and provide a demo of how to connect the keyboard to music apps. If you're curious about how the keyboard performs in real-life settings, be sure to check that out. White medium star overall rating, 4.6/5. If you're just starting your musical journey or gifting someone their first instrument, the Donner DK610S offers an easy and fun way to get started with piano without breaking the bank. It's user-friendly, full of creative potential, and built with learners in mind. Have you tried the Donner DK610S, or are you thinking of picking one up? Drop a comment on the video and let me know what features you're most excited about, or if you want to see a full tutorial series. Movie Camera, watch the video now and discover why the DK610S could be your gateway into the world of music. Musical notes.